Well, I'm going to tell you a story. How this turned into this. But first, we got to do a little bit of rewinding. Enjoy. The story begins with this bad boy. This bachelor was quickly evident the heartthrob of the mountain. He was running amok, chasing does, feeling feels, and loving love. He was all over. After shortly observing this nice buck, we made a game plan. We got right to it. The action was happening and we wanted to be a part of it. So we crossed behind a ridge. We snuck down, wind in our face, just to get close enough to be within bow range. He was chasing does, the rut was happening, and it was action-packed. But man, these bucks are keen. They're big for a reason. And just within bow range, we couldn't quite get the opportunity we wanted. 6 hours later, we find him again. We glass him up with that same group of does. And here we go, game plan number 2. Ultimately, I had a chance. I had a chance at this 3-point that shortly joins into the group fun. And as luck would have it, he's still running around the mountain. A misrange, a misjudgment on my part saved his young life. Evening of day 2, some of the best hunting we've had. Arguably the best. Here we've got multiple bucks, big bucks, small bucks, in-between bucks. We've made plays on all of them. And, well, I'll just let the video tell you the story. My attention quickly shifts. I find this nice 3-point walking up the canyon from the other buck. 2 bucks within 100 yards of each other, each pushing their own set of does. Checking them, rutting them, and here we are, moments before we find the biggest buck of the evening. So, why don't we rewind and resume from the start? When all is said and done and truth is told, I've never been a huge fan of mule deer. I've always been more drawn towards elk, and the vocal aspect, their sheer size and incredible physicality are some of the major factors that draw me towards them. However, this mule deer rut has quickly become one of my favorite hunts. It's exhilarating to watch the raw nature of mule deer when they're exhibiting peak rut behavior. The way they act, drunken, yet battle-hardened at the same time, is remarkable. Their ability to travel, hide, survive, it's all so impressive to me. Much of these units are the most pressured in the entire West. However, some bucks overcome all the obstacles to reach maturity. These deer have gained my respect through observing them over the couple of years, and I am blessed to have harvested 3 in consecutive years as I've capitalized on their small slip-ups. Hence the name which I have chosen to give this buck, resembling the beauty, the fate, and the love-drunken madness of rutted-up old muleys, Ophelia.
Take it to the stud. Take it to the freaking scrub oak. Nice buck. Oh, this one to Gup. He turned it up in his bed. I got on him and shot over his back at 50 yards, really steep downhill. And then we got back on him and we're pushing him up the canyon, and he ran out right in front of me. Luckily enough, hammered him at about 15 yards, 20 yards maybe.
Put the smack down on him, baby.
Didn't go 20.
Sure.
Went about 200.